What is included in my premium subscription? No matter what plan you have, free or premium, all of TextMe's awesome features are available on both iOS and Android devices. They are not platform specific. If you're on the free plan, you will have access to these base features. A free local number. You will have access to a free local number from the US or Canada. You will have unlimited talk and text. TextMe users in the US and Canada can connect for free and it's unlimited. And call blocking. You have the ability to block any number you don't want to hear from. Now, if you're on the premium plan, you will not only have all of the free plan features previously mentioned, but you will also have these following features. The ability to secure any number, meaning you can keep your number reserved even if you are not using it. No ads. You will enjoy an ad-free experience. Voicemail transcription. You will have the ability to read through transcribed voice messages. Number lookup. Unknown numbers are checked through our extensive ID database. Call forwarding. You will have the ability to answer calls to your TextMe number on other numbers of your choosing. Spam filter. Incoming calls are filtered by our FCC-approved spam blocker. And lastly, conversation export. You will have the ability to export your conversations.